On vast farms, precision technology plants the seeds of tomorrow's harvest. From the soil's embrace, the journey of each golden onion begins, nurtured by advanced farming. Harvested onions cure naturally under the sun, preparing for their next stage. Automated giants prepare to unleash a bountiful harvest, transforming raw produce into a river of sustenance. Thousands of perfect onions begin their journey, guided by the precision of modern automation. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This monumental flow demonstrates efficiency, a seamless transition from raw bulk to processed precision. Towering bins, a new wave begins, ensuring a continuous flow of quality produce. Each onion, perfect and unblemished, glides smoothly towards its next stage. The journey continues as raw produce enters the heart of precision manufacturing. Colossal machinery initiates the critical first step, separating onions from earth. This initial phase ensures only the cleanest produce proceeds for packaging. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. The vibrating screener represents a cornerstone of modern agricultural processing. From field to pristine, the journey continues with precision and speed. Automated precision extends to effortlessly remove root structures. Waste is efficiently managed, contributing to a clean, optimized workflow. The vast scale of the automated processing facility is truly impressive. A continuous cascade of raw onions fuels the colossal processing operation. Skilled operators meticulously oversee the advanced automated systems. The machines operate with rhythmic precision, a testament to modern engineering. Parallel processing lines demonstrate the astounding industrial capacity. Onions enter a colossal chamber, ready for a high-pressure transformation. Powerful jets blast away the dry outer skins, revealing the clean white bulb. The once golden brown onions now emerge pristine and perfectly peeled. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Clean, white onion bulbs emerge, perfectly prepped for the next stage. Hundreds of pristine onions flow smoothly towards the next processing stage. The chamber's exit point, where a constant flow of immaculate bulbs emerges. Through transparent walls, witness the efficiency of modern peeling technology. A mesmerizing dance of water and air transforms raw onions into pristine bulbs. Thousands of onions emerge, perfectly peeled and ready for the next phase of packaging. Advanced optical scanners meticulously analyze each onion, ensuring peak quality and consistency. Data streams are instantly processed, ensuring every firm spherical golden brown onion dry, papery outer skin. Its layers are tightly packed, revealing a white, fleshy interior. Fine roots are visible at its base, with a trim stem top. Meets exact specifications. From every angle, the advanced optical systems ensure a comprehensive and thorough inspection. Precision robotics swiftly redirect any firm, spherical golden brown onion with dry, papery outer skin. Its layers are tightly packed, revealing a white, fleshy interior. Fine roots are visible at its base, with a trim stem top. That do not meet stringent quality standards. From centralized control rooms, every aspect of the optical scanning and sorting process is meticulously overseen. Multiple laser beams work in unison, targeting every curve and crevice with pinpoint accuracy for flawless inspection. Advanced advanced algorithms analyze scanning data, instantly identifying around any A-firm, spherical golden brown onion with dry, papery outer skin. Its layers are tightly packed, revealing a white, fleshy interior. Fine roots are visible at its base, with a trim stem top. The entire optical scanning system exemplifies industrial practice, ensuring only the A-firm, spherical golden brown onion with dry, papery outer skin. Its layers are tightly packed, revealing a white, fleshy interior. Fine roots are visible at its base, with a trim stem top. Proceed. Advanced automation swiftly sorts each onion, ensuring peak quality for every batch. Unwavering precision ensures only the highest quality onions proceed for packaging. Through complex algorithms, each onion finds its perfect place within seconds. This state-of-the-art system ensures optimal product consistency every time. Each onion's quality is instantly assessed and assigned its perfect destination. From scanner to sorted channels, the journey is one of pure technological mastery. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Advanced rollers precisely sort each onion by size, ensuring uniformity and quality. Each onion size is meticulously separated and directed to its own colossal collection system. This automated system ensures optimal onion selection, guaranteeing premium quality for consumers. Streams of fresh onions smoothly enter the state-of-the-art bagging facility. With incredible accuracy, a precise weight of onions is dispensed into each waiting bag. Once sealed, the bags are gently released, continuing their journey on another high-speed conveyor. Skilled American factory workers meticulously oversee the advanced automated systems. carousel rotates with precision,
A
orchestrating
firm,
each step of the
spherical,
bagging
golden brown
process.
onion with dry, free outer skin. It's
A dedicated technician makes precise adjustments to ensure optimal machine performance. Digital displays confirm the exact weight, guaranteeing consistent quality control. Automated systems ensure every bag is securely sealed, preserving freshness and quality. A brightly lit, pristine factory floor showcases the efficiency of modern manufacturing. Advanced robotics precisely pack onions, ensuring efficiency and care. Each bag finds its perfect spot, demonstrating unparalleled automated accuracy. Multiple robotic arms work in synchronized harmony, maximizing output. Robots work tirelessly, a testament to modern manufacturing's precision. Onions move swiftly, ready for their journey to market. With expert precision, robots complete each box. Robotic precision ensures consistent quality in every packed box. The automated process ensures optimal packaging, ready for distribution. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. Precision engineering guides colossal arms, meticulously stacking packaged produce with unwavering accuracy. In the palletizing zone, giant robots orchestrate the final phase, ensuring perfect logistical readiness.